Hey, what's up? It's Jay on the Segway. Today's video is going to be a Action 4. This applies for Action 3 to an extent, okay? The only difference between the Action 3 and the Action 4 is the range of the gain settings, okay? The Action 4 has a much broader range setting as far as microphone adapter goes. Matter of fact, you want to see what that look like, don't you? You want to see that in real time. Let me show you. Action 3, microphone plugged in. All right. I'm going to go to the settings here, looking for the audio stuff, look the microphone. Here's your gain setting. Your gain range on the Action 3 is all the way from -12 to +20 decibels. In Action 4, go to the settings, microphone, gain settings. This is your gain difference, -20 all the way up to +30. How do you get access to the high wind reduction settings? Well, you're going to have to go in your options and change your resolution. You have to be in 1080p, guys. I'm sorry, but that's the only way to do it as of right now. The frame rate does not matter. You can do up to 240 frames a second if you wanted to. And then you go over to the settings on the far right. You click on the microphone, and you see the wind noise. It says high. That's the only way you can access that high wind noise reduction. It's off, standard, and high. Okay, so the drip that we're going to use for this video is going to be the Action 4. In this particular video, I got the DJI's microphone adapter on the side. I got Ulanzi's hot shoe mount mounted on the other side. This is the original cage that the DJI Action 3s and Action 4s come with. And we're going to use this Rode right here. This is going to be the Rode VideoMic Go II. All right, this microphone is usually a little too big to be using with such a small camera, depending on what you got going on. This thing will be in frame. I'm not making any effort to not put it in frame. This is just the audio test so you guys can hear what they sound like. We're doing 0 decibel and -8 decibel gain test in this video. The next one is going to be Amazon Basics. This microphone right here is very, very hot. This is a hot microphone. I don't use this microphone because it is too hot for any camera except the Action 4/Action 3. This microphone jack, like I said, this microphone adapter reduces the sensitivity of whatever microphone you plug into it, which is why in this video, because I did look at the video back, it's not too bad. So if you're in environments or if you ever feel that your Action 4 or Action 3 camera isn't loud enough, whatever microphones you plug into it, man, my audio is always low and I got to crank it up in post. If you can find this microphone, ha! All right. Not to mention, guys, we have a very broad gain spectrum here. Okay. This thing has all the way to +30 decibels. Use it. The next piece of drip here is the Moo M11. This is a lavalier microphone, omnidirectional type. As you guys can see, it records in all directions. So when you're using this microphone, it really does not matter which way it's pointed at. It's going to pick up sound anywhere. So you plug it into the side of your camera and you just have it just sitting. However, you can put it this way, that way, doesn't matter. Just make sure when you have it plugged in, you can see the audio level meter on your camera because this thing is just weird. Real quick, okay, I've actually made an official video with this microphone. This little thing right here allows you to screw this on to certain microphone devices, which is really, really cool if you need a stable connection. I don't have anything like that, and I don't plan on using it with any devices that allows you to screw it in. So I'm going to use a Dremel at some point. I'm going to cut this off so that I can actually get a good connection with this microphone, because as of right now, from my testing, this microphone only plugs into all DJI microphone systems. So like your DJI wireless microphones, the mic and the Mic 2, it plugs into this Action 4 with this microphone adapter after pressing it pretty hard. I have to give it a really good push. Rode's wireless microphone systems, it plugs into those, no problem. Okay, you just have to make sure you have it pushed in far enough so that it's actually connected. But anyways, that's the drip. And then the Action 4, of course, you're going to do the internal microphone recording so you guys can kind of hear the differences between that and using external microphone. So there you go. All right, you guys. So one cool thing about the Action 4 is that it does have very good low light settings. So this is what the microphone sounds like. We're going to have this little running sewage right here. It's got some running water. So I'm going to use that for noise, background noise. Now, really good low light settings. This is what the VideoMic Go II sounds like with the gain set to -8. Okay, I tried. same deal. We have DJI's microphone adapter, okay? We got the VideoMic Go II on the camera. This is at 0 gain. This is what it's. Okay, right now we have the Amazon Basics shotgun microphone. This microphone, like I told you guys, is super, super hot from just original. Just as a microphone, it's a super sensitive microphone. Okay, so we got this microphone at 0 decibel, and already I'm seeing this thing is being hot. So I'm lowering my voice right now because I can see on the meter it's already touching the yellow, and I see the spick of red. Okay, so the Movo MV101. Now I did start talking before. I used the quick capture feature, which, by the way, I use quick capture for all these video clips except for like 2 of them. But anyway, this is the Movo MV101 lav microphone. Okay, what I like about this lav microphone for some of you guys who like to off-road, for example, is that this microphone can point any direction and you're still gonna get the audio signal. So if you're the cool thing is with the DJI's new microphone, adapter, and the whole little microphone settings in general, you can go all the way from -20 decibels to +30. That's a wide spectrum, okay? I was thinking, I was like, well, I guess the video wouldn't be really accurate if I didn't let you guys hear the camera by itself with the wind reduction on standard. I'm recording in 4K, 24 frames per second, so that's... Now, me personally, the only reason why I do not mind recording in 1080p, which is what you're watching me on right now, but now we have this super wind reduction on. The only reason why I don't mind recording in 1080p is because most of my videos for motovlogging, for example, it's gonna be usually in 1080p when I do the final product.